Want explosive growth in the US market on TikTok? Let's dive straight into targeting that lucrative American audience. First, make sure your app language is set to English US. This tells TikTok's algorithm you're creating content for English speakers. Next, think about your captions. Use relevant keywords that Americans are searching for. After you are done adding caption, click More Options before posting. Now, this is crucial. In More Options, disable allow users to choose their language. This forces TikTok to show your content based on your chosen language setting. Engage strategically. Tell TikTok what you're interested in. If a relevant video pops up, click Not Interested. Like and comment on videos made by US-based creators and those trending with American audiences. Finally, research trending sounds and hashtags specific to the US market. Incorporate these into your content to boost visibility and ride the wave of current trends. Consistently do this. That's it. Follow these steps and watch your US audience on TikTok grow. Like and subscribe for more TikTok growth tips.